Hi kids! Let's explore amazing mining and construction vehicles that dig, lift, and build our world.
Mining dump truck.
Yay!
A mining dump truck carries huge loads of rocks and soil. Would you like to see one as tall as a house?
Excavator.
Yay!
An excavator digs deep into the earth with its big arm and bucket. Would you like to scoop up big rocks with it?
Bulldozer.
Yay!
A bulldozer pushes piles of dirt and rocks with its heavy front blade. Would you like to ride one through a mine?
Wheel loader.
Yay!
A wheel loader lifts heavy stones into trucks. Would you like to drive one with a giant scoop?
Road roller.
Yay!
A road roller flattens the ground to make smooth paths. Would you like to roll on fresh roads?
Compactor.
Yay!
A compactor presses and tightens soil to make it strong. Would you like to feel its vibration?
Motor grader.
Yay!
A motor grader smooths rough mining roads. Would you like to see its long blade scrape the ground?
Backhoe loader.
Yay!
A backhoe loader digs with its rear arm and loads with the front scoop. Would you like to work both ends at once?
Skid steer loader.
Yay!
A skid steer loader is small but strong for tight spaces.
Mobile crane.
Yay!
A mobile crane lifts heavy parts high in the air. Would you like to see it raise a big metal beam?
Dragline excavator.
Yay!
This huge machine uses cables to move large amounts of earth. Would you like to see its long arm swing?
Bucket wheel excavator.
Yay!
It digs with a spinning wheel full of buckets. Would you like to see them all turning at once?
Drill rig.
Yay!
A drill rig makes deep holes for mining and blasting. Would you like to hear its drill buzzing?
Rock crusher.
Yay!
A rock crusher breaks big rocks into small stones. Would you like to crush a mountain into gravel?
Tunnel boring machine.
Yay!
This machine digs long tunnels underground. Would you like to ride through the tunnel it makes?
Trencher.
Yay!
A trencher cuts narrow ditches for pipes or cables. Would you like to make a deep line in the ground?
Yay!
Great work, little builders! You learned powerful mining and construction machines that dig, lift, and build our world. Keep learning and keep exploring new vehicles every day.